Good morning, boys and girls. I hope that you and your families are keeping well. I just wanted to speak to you briefly about something that you need to remember while we are online. We spoke about it a lot last year, and it's still the case that Teams is only for your schoolwork. It's not for chatting with friends. It's only for your schoolwork. So, I would like you to think about making the right choice, the principled choice, and only using Teams for your schoolwork. That means not sending silly messages or pictures while you're in class. And it also means not setting up your own chat rooms and meeting with friends in there. Just like when you're in school, we wouldn't let you go off into a classroom by yourself and spend time just with one or two friends in a physical classroom because it wouldn't be safe for you. And we don't think it's safe for you to go and spend time in a virtual classroom on your own without a teacher there to guide and look after you. So please think. No silly messages on Teams, on chats, no breakout rooms that you have set up. It's only for your work, and the teacher will guide you as to what he or she wants you to do on Teams. Okay? Have a lovely day, everybody. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.